Fox Sports Carolinas welcomes you back inside PNC Arena as we wrap up a 6-game homestand tonight. The Canes get set for the Florida Panthers. Accepted by Ferland. In deep for Teravainen. Centering pass for Ferland. Great save. Paddle down. Roberto Luongo. And it comes back out to center ice. Through the slot. Florida with a chance. A backhand blocked in front. Going down, Calvin DeHaan robbing Jared McCann in back of the goal. McCann out in front, holding the short side. Curtis McElhinney. Backhand dish, rolling off sticks through the slot. Williams gets to it, near point, held in by Pesek. Now McCann in front, tipped right on. McElhinney said no. Good tip by Frank Petrano. Teuvo Teravainen in full flight through the middle. Hayden Fleury on the off wing in front for Aho. Just wide off his backhand. Now, Evgeny Dadonov held in. Trevor Van Riemsdyk tipped wide off Matheson out in front. Now Mackenzie Weegar. Dennis Mulligan off the pad of McElhinney. Kiseleva's shot sealed off. Attacking save by Curtis McElhinney. The first weekend of the season when he was great in Columbus. Now Sevier's shot fought off by McElhinney. And Lammikko, that's Juho Lammikko, young Finn, looking for his first NHL goal on the doorstep. But he got it deep. Kiselevich along the wing for Denny Mulligan, broke it up. Dangling Aho in front, porked wide. Dougie Hamilton had the chance out in front. Aho in his own zone. Soft clear, not out. Bukestad a steal. He'll wind it up. Here comes Ekblad. His shot punched down, covered up by Curtis McElhinney. For Martinook, Jordan Martinook holding onto it, trading places with Fleury. He'll wind it up in the slot. His shot fought off Luongo twice. The rebound scores. Third chance. Jordan Martinook will get to it. 37.9 seconds left in period one, but Carolina strikes first late in period one.
And Hayden Fleury draws two Florida Panthers. Martinook wisely holds onto the puck, gets to the middle. You have a net front battle won by Lucas Wallmark. So that's another positive ingredient. Delayed penalty coming. What a save. That's where Luongo gets hurt. And the follow-up from Jordan Martinook. And Martinook had created the play, taking advantage of the pinch from Fleury.
Roberto, who is approaching some hefty milestones in his career, is up. And James Reimer, who's likely to be the guy anyway tomorrow night when they go home and take on Chicago. He's pressed in here after Martinook has made it 1-0 Carolina. Keith Yandel, cross ice, great attacking save with his pad by Curtis McElhinney, peppered by Keith Yandel on the tape of Evgeny Dadonov with a self-pass. Here he comes, far wing, dropping it off for Hoffman, back for Dadonov, turned out by McElhinney. Curtis McElhinney robbing Dadonov, this time from the dead slot. Now Teuvo Teravainen crisscrossing. Ferland for Hamilton, his shot blocked by Matheson, the follow-up denied. Reimer off Ferland. Through the center zone, he'll dump it in. To the far side, overskated by Matheson. And Wallmark encumbered by a pass right out in front. Teravainen, this way for Falk inside the ring. It goes high, glove side of James Reimer. Ferland in the slot. This way for Falk again. His shot caught by James Reimer. Bukestad serving the first minor is out of the box. Through center, a stretch pass. Here they come. Mulligan's in. Off the goal post. Far post on the glove side of McElhinney. It's an available puck knocked down with a high stick by Ekblad. Held in by Falk. A tip chance off Reimer. Good stick check that time. A poke check by Hayden Fleury. Matheson. Mike Hoffman asserting in the slot. Oh, what a save! Curtis McElhinney. Larcenous on Nick Bukestad. Williams, good pass for Hamilton as he was going down. Slavin far point, near side Hamilton. His shot stopped by Reimer. He's got the rebound. Shots are 27 Carolina, 24 Florida. Mulligan can't handle it. Ferland did in front. All alone, Teravainen. Oh, one pass too many.
You are in the garden spot here. You're at both Boardwalk and Park Place. You've got time to either shoot or even walk it in and make a move on Reimer. You need to be selfish, absolutely there.
Jonathan Huberdeau gains entry right up the gut, right in for a chance, and it rolls off his stick. Now it's fed in by Huberdeau to the corner. Brouwer in front. Pandon, Kiselevich all alone in front. Lucas Wallmark center zone. Here comes Svechnikov over the line. Now Wallmark, his shot blocked by Dennis Mulligan. Wallmark got it back. Martinook scores! Another dart
beautiful play. Puck support from Wallmark, from the trailing Martinook. Just absolutely wires it past Reimer. Reimer was screened by his own defenseman in front, Keith Yandle, and that's the very definition of commit to your own end, you will get your cookies at the other.
Reestablishes, and now Teravainen advancing in on Matheson, and also moving in on Barkov, and now Aho. Swung in by Teravainen through the slot. He scores! That's a shot-first mentality. Teuvo Teravainen, 3-0, Carolina.
Some bodies between the puck and the net, and he fires away. And in his 300th game, has a big-time goal on the power play to extend the lead. So the second consecutive third period, Carolina has extended the lead with big power play goals.
Rolling around near point, Foegele gets to it, met there by Ekblad, it kicks out. Di Giuseppe tries to walk in, he does! Off of Reimer, it goes high. Brilliant individual effort by Phil Di Giuseppe. Hayden Fleury spins off the hit from Troy Brouwer and dumps it in. Michael Matheson for Florida. Through center, breakaway. Brouwer's in, he scores! Troy Brouwer, cherry picking for that pass from Michael Matheson, breaks the shutout of Curtis McElhinney. 5:56 left in this third period, 3-1 Hurricanes.
Takes a look, same shot selection that John Tavares used to beat McElhinney on Wednesday night.
He comes out of the scrum with the puck, but it's broken up by Barkov. Through the slot, Hoffman, a shot turned out and covered up by Curtis McElhinney. That's the wrong guy if you're Carolina that you want to have shoot the puck. Mike Hoffman, but Curtis McElhinney was equal to it. Out to center, Ferland. An attempt to chip in charge. Here comes Aho. High slot, Teravainen fought off a couple of times by James Reimer. Barkov will step in, marked by 3. Florida resets, it's a steal. Wallmark ahead of the field for the hat trick. Bullseye! Jordan Martinook.
Wow, am I happy about this. And everybody wearing these beautiful third jerseys, I can guarantee you, is elated to see Jordan Martinook, a glue guy, get his first NHL hat trick.
What a story for Curtis McElhinney and his team this week. Listen to this. Tonight, Curtis McElhinney looked at 35 shots. Especially in the second period, he was extraordinary again. To a man led by Jordan Martinook, who had the hat trick, they ride out a 4-1 win over the Florida Panthers.